Hello, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right? So today I want to show you a very nice set of chords you can use for your 736 on this song. We give you all. That's you are Alpha and Omega. Right? So that part that goes we give you all. So this is how we're going to do it. I'll play it first, then I'll teach you, I'll call out the notes of what I'm playing. So you already know 736 if you follow this channel. So that's not a strange. So people who don't know it, you can type in the comment section that you don't know it. Alright, so I can explain further. Okay, so the chord goes like this. So I tried keeping the melody line on top. I'll play one more time with the string. Right, so you are to be praised. Okay, so I'm going to show you the chords now that I played for the 736. But before that, if you've not gotten my terminate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. It's a course over 2 hours where I recorded. I taught all those syllables you can see in the flyer. So for 2 hours you get PDF. When you buy, you get PDF, you get video files, you see my fingers. You also see the MIDI keyboard on screen display, and then of course you get MIDI files also to be able to practice and see everything I played. So it's just 7,500 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people abroad. If you're not gotten your copy, click the description of this video now. You see the link to get it. All right, God bless you. Right. So my 7 chord goes. Now you need to write. So after you can just play your normal root chord, F sharp. You're in F sharp, right? I hope I mentioned that. All right. So you have a sweet. So the 7 goes. So on the left we have a F, C, and E flat, right? F, C, and E flat. On the right we have a E major chord, which is a E flat major chord, which is a E flat, G, B flat, and E flat. Then so that's our 3. So now 3 we have a B flat dominant 7. That's a B flat, F, and A flat. Then on the right we have a F minor chord, which is a F, A flat, C, and F on the top. So then, so your 6 on your 6 you have on the left, you have a 6, 1, 3, 5. If you don't know that, put it in the comment section that you don't know number system. So and then so you play your major chord also, your F sharp. So together it goes you can do. So you do 3. When you do we give you, then you do 3, 6. Alright, so God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many more. God bless you. See you again. Bye.